Hello,
Hi.
welcome to our video.
Yeah.
And now Miss Tuyên and I are in Hoàn Kim Lake. We come here to finish our challenges.
Yes. And we'll find some foreigners to check some vowel sounds and some
Yeah.
consonant. And now let's
Let's
go.
go.
Can start.
Yeah, you read them?
Yeah.
Okay,
Air.
yeah.
Air. Laugh.
Laugh.
Laugh. Traffic.
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 Traffic. Yeah.
Practice.
Oh,
Practice.
Practice. Yeah, practice.
Stand it carefully. Stand it carefully.
Send it carefully. Yeah, send it carefully.
Yes. And we will next some vowel sound. Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, but I won't see it in a word. Oh yeah, I see.
Door.
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 Right.
Good.
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 Yeah, good.
Ready.
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 Yeah, that's alright. Yeah.
And the next consonant. G.
Good. Good. Yeah.
It's alright. Garden.
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 Garden. Yeah.
Glass.
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 Yeah, glass.
Glass.
Yeah.
Go.
Go.
Hungry.
Hungry. Hungry. Yeah.
Are you going jogging again?
Are you going jogging again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you going jogging again?
Jogging. Yeah.
And the next vowel sound. A.
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 Alright.
Some words.
I think you're doing well.
Neighbor.
Neighbor. Yeah.
Neighbor.
Alright.
Freight.
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 Right.
Way.
Wait.
Way.
Wait.
Stay away.
Stay away.
Stay away.
Mhm.
Escape from.
Jail. Jail. Escape from jail. Yeah.
Escape from jail. Jail. The next consonant. J.
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 It's right.
Yeah. I can see in the word. It's right.
Jacket.
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 Yeah.
Jeans.
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 Jeans. Yeah.
General.
General.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Languages are a bridge between people.
Languages are a bridge between people. Yeah.
Languages are a bridge between people. Yeah.
Mhm.
Ear.
And the next consonant
So.
is correct.
Okay.
Mouth.
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 Yeah.
Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday.
Thin.
Thin. Yeah. Thin.
It's 30 degrees in the north and 30 in the south. It's right.
It's 13 degrees in the north and 30 in the south. Yeah. I think you're doing well.
And the last consonant, but
Consonant.
it's not here.
It's not ear.
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 Yeah. Give me
Yeah,
a word.
for example, here.
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 Tear. Tear.
Tear. Tear?
Tear.
What does it mean?
Uh,
Oh, tear. Yeah, I see.
tear.
Yeah.
Ear.
And, some, for example, how long have been here?
I've been here 4 months.
Yes. And that's all for my video. And thank you for
Yeah, no
your
problem.
time. Yeah.
I think you're doing well, honestly. Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.